Hey, it's Kamori, and today we're going to be working on Annie from Splatoon. Today we're going to be making the skull and squid pins that she wears on her dress. I will also put a link in the description box below to patterns you can use to make these for yourself. To make Annie's skull pin, I started by drawing the design out onto some paper to create a pattern. Then we're going to cut two of the skulls out of some white fleece. On the front, we're going to then sew on the eyes, and for the back and the center, we're going to cut the same shape out of some very stiff felt. And I also shaved down the edges a little bit, trimmed off the excess, so that we can wrap the fleece around it. Then I took a little pin backing, peeled off the paper, stuck it on, and then reinforced it with some hand stitching through both layers to secure it. Then we're going to whip stitch along the edge so that the stiff felt is encased in between the two layers of fleece. And we're going to do that for the squid pin as well. And with that, Annie's pins are done. For more tutorials on how to make the rest of the costume, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!